Well, good morning, friends. Welcome back to Haggett Hill. Here's what we're going to be working on today. Here's my old wood splitter I've had about 15 years, and it still works great. I took it up to the farm last week to cut some firewood, and the recoil starter has an issue. I'll show you what's going on. You'll notice the rope is hanging out. It won't recoil all the way. Kind of froze up. You can see it's kind of beat and banged up. It's had a log or two dropped on it. And what usually happens, those fins or part of the housing actually bends in, and it touches on the recoil spring and assembly on the inside, and it won't let it retract. It'll still work, but I'm tired of bending it out, taking it apart, trying to fix it. So I just bought a new assembly off of Amazon. We're going to install the new assembly today and get rid of this old one. This is a Honda Gx160, which is a very common engine to be used on small equipment like wood splitters, power washers, and things like that. It's not an overly difficult procedure to fix it. Just remove these bolts. The one down below is hardest to get to because you got to get down on your hands and knees. Well, you notice when I pull that off, it retracted again. You can see it still works. What usually happens is when you drop a log on it or something, these bolt mounts will bend in and it'll touch and rub on the wheel and actually cause it to lock up. Now this seems to be working better than it did the other day at the farm, so I'm probably going to keep it as a spare and maybe try to stick a screwdriver in here and bend these out some more. But I've already purchased this new one off of Amazon, so we're going to get it on there and see how it works. Same thing, works just like it. Get my orientation right. Now this new one, you'll notice, is generic off of Amazon. It won't have a sticker on it, but that's okay. Like it's going to catch just fine. Get those started. Now then the bottom one is the tough one. Alright, looks like it's going to work. Let's give it a test pull and see. Give it a little gas, give it a little choke, turn it on. Perfect. That's a simple, quick fix. So if anybody out there has a Honda engine and your recoil starter starts giving you fits, that's an easy way to fix it. You can buy a new one off Amazon for about 12 or 13 bucks. Simple and easy repair anyone can do. Well, there you have it, folks. Another simple project here on Haggett Hill. As I said in an earlier video, it always seems like something's broke around here and needs to be fixed. Hopefully this will be a help to you if anybody has a Honda or any other type of small engine. They're all pretty well the same as far as how the recoil starter operation works. I appreciate you stopping by and visiting with me in here on Haggett Hill. Again, if you like the content, please like and subscribe because it helps my channel to grow. Get out and enjoy the beautiful creation that God made. And as always, God bless. Come back and see me next time.